Stop wasting your ad spend. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking step by step for 2026 so you can actually see what's working. First, navigate to your Google Ads dashboard. On the left sidebar, click the goals icon, then select Summary. Next, click the blue plus button to create a new conversion action. We'll select Website as our conversion source. Enter your website URL to scan for existing tags. 2026's automatic event detection makes this process faster than ever. Scroll down to Add a conversion action manually. Select your goal category. I'll choose Purchase for this example. For e-commerce, select Use different values for each conversion and track every purchase to get the most accurate revenue data. Don't miss the 2026 Enhanced Conversions toggle. Turn it on to ensure your tracking is privacy compliant and accurate. Now for the installation, select Google Tag Manager. You'll need to copy your unique conversion ID and label for the setup. Finally, use the Tag Assistant extension to run a test. When you see recording conversions in green, you're officially tracking. Start scaling your ads with the right data today. If this tutorial cleared up the confusion, subscribe to TechnoTutor TV for more expert Google Ads and marketing guides.